you before, I hope to take a small video for our team. Since we expanded for our business now, we begin to make a new brand for our Archipel College. We now have some important project, but firstly we have to know clearly about your factory. Could I take a small video in your factory? It is available today?
No problem.
I learned that every of the staff of the requirement to the wear working clothes and make hand washing and hand sterilization before entering in the workshop. As it's a dust-free workshop, I have do the now. I hope to enter the workshop. Have a look. These colors look shiny, even they don't use the top coat yet. It can paint. Well, one time good. The staff use the foam to wrap the color chart to make good protection. The packing is rigorous and reassuring.